What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino. So today, just 3 rooms in this house. It's they're selling the house and the white carpet. Today I'm using I got some pre-spray all over my van when I was mixing it up. I'm using some Primetime enzyme today, high pH. You'll see why when we go in there. We go ahead and just pump it up instead of having a fight with it, you know. The carpet detail probably will work, but we're just gonna go ahead and pump it up today. So I already mixed up my pre-spray in here. Do a walkthrough real quick. Some light in here. Alright, so I'm going to spray this. I'm going to make sure I got at least 10-15 minutes dwell time on it. I am going to pull out the multi-wash and scrub it in these traffic areas. And let's hope we get some great results there. I did not guarantee that it was going to be no contrast at all. So I just put that out there at the beginning so the customer knows she's fine. She's just, whatever you can do, she knows that they're in bad shape. So hopefully we'll get some pleasant results with this. So I'm going to pre-spray. So as you can tell, they didn't come out so beautiful. But we figured out the reason why after I went over it 3 times. Was wheelchairs. So the rubber from the wheelchairs does this to carpet. There's nothing you can do about it. Alright guys, so so take note of that if you've never run across it yet. And I have a few times, but I don't know why I didn't ask from the get-go whether it was if she was in a wheelchair, her mother. And so after I'm cleaning, it finally dawned to me. So I walked up to the lady and said, "Hey, was your mother in a wheelchair?" She's all, "Yes." And I'm like, "Oh, okay, well, that's the problem." So if you got white carpet and you got black tires, it's been going over and over and over for 10 years. Okay, 10 years. This carpet hasn't been cleaned. So 10 years of worn fiber. That's what you're gonna get. And I took a little extra time on this job just to get it the best as it can get. And yeah, of course I'm not happy with it, but I gotta remember and remind myself that hey, it's as good as it can be done. So it's good to play a little detective and stuff when you're carpet cleaning. Ask as many questions as you can, and you might save yourself a little bit of headaches. All right, well, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, you know the routine. See you in the next one.